Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best voice changer app for Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for voice changer with effects. So this is the app with 4.2 rating and 100 million plus downloads. So let's open the app, and here you need to click on tab to start for recording. So let me record a sample voice. So first you need to click on allow. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you, so here you have different effects. So let me check the big robot effect. So you can check different effects. So you can see that my smartphone voice is not open, so that's why you are unable to listen. So let me make it. So this is the best app that you can use to change your voice, because it have different effects. If you want more, you can get more effects, but that is in premium version. So this is the best voice changer app for Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.